Hi guys, this is Charlotte Gallarde, your baby 920, and welcome back for another video. So for today's video guys, this is the final heat of the ladies class for the third heat of the Motor A series at Tantangan South Cotabato. So pag-start dyan guys, whole shot si EJ Kulot and tinry kunin ni Zyra Paco kaso nagkamali siya dyan. And nakasunod ako dyan kay EJ Kulot and dumidikit lang ako dyan sa kanya. And third place dyan is Grace Atis, followed by Pia Gabriel and Laila Guro. So, tinatry ko pa yung best ko dyan guys na makadikit sa kanya. Pero pagliko dyan, nakita ko yung placing namin 1 to 5th and kahit second lang ako, makukuha ko pa rin yung overall champion. Kaya nag-play safe na lang ako dyan and hindi ko na pinipilit yung sarili ko. Since yung racetrack din dyan is sira-sira na, kaya nag-play safe na lang ako. So sa laro na to guys, alam ko na yung points. Kaya importante talaga alamin natin yung points para hindi na natin pilitin yung sarili natin. Kasi kahit makuha ko yung first or yung second place nung second heat, magiging overall champion pa rin ako. Nung last lap, nakita ko si Papa at si Coach Jovi sa ulog na sumisenyas na sa akin, nakalma na at gamitin na yung utak kasi champion na ako dyan. Pero hindi nila alam na alam ko na yung points kaya hindi ko na din pinipilit yung sarili ko dyan. So I would like to thank my sponsors. Thank you so much Honda Philippines for your full support. Thank you so much Fox Racing Philippines for my safety gears for always keeping me safe. And thank you so much Imprint Customs for my merch and apparels. So that's it guys, I got the overall champion for the ladies class here at Tantangan South Cotabato for the Motor Ace 3rd leg. So thank you so much for watching guys, and nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, and abangan nyo yung next video ko. Mag-ingat kayo palagi, bye!